Okay, let's talk about lab 3. In this lab, I will implement the up and down counter into the FPGA. Um, so I copy and paste the up and down counter from lab 2 into my code, and is in uh, this part. My student, for my last 4 digit in my student ID is 45 and 43. So 45 is my high value, 43 is my low value. So this part is the same as the lab 2. So I will try to implement a decoder for decode the output number from the counter into 7 segments, and I also will implement a selector to select uh, different 7 segments to display, and the selector should be very fast, and it fast enough. It looks like happens in same time. The like uh, seven different 7 segments are on at the same time. So so first of all, because the system clock is very fast, it's 100 billion hertz. So I should implement a clock counter to count it, um, count it until the clock counter reaches a certain number, and then the slow clock will change from low to up, or from up to low. Um, and I will also implement I also um, need a clock for the selector. The selector cannot be very too fast. If it's too fast, the 7 doesn't work because it's too fast, and and so the chip in the 7 does not work in that fast clock. So I have to also need to slow down it. So I use the control counter as to control the selector. So this part is my so-called this, and then this part is my decoder. So the decoder, we look at the control counter to decode the output number from the counter to different 7 segments, and it will very fast, and human eye cannot capture it. And this and as you can see, the different digit in the output number will decode to the 7 segment in this part, and this part is the decoding number to the 7 segment, and it determines which part of the 7 segment will be on, and it will display the number from 0 to 9. And this one is my board diagram. This part is the clock counter, and this counter is from the lab 2, and the clock counter have the slow clock to drive the up and down counter, and the control counter will drive the selector and the decoder for the 7 segment. And this is my functional simulation um, because uh, because the slow clock is really slow, so I cannot see the delay in the time simulation, and and you can see the functional simulation and time estimation are pretty much same, and because they're pretty slow, because human eyes can capture the change. And this part is my resource utilization. Um, and this part is my minimum period. And that's it for the lab. Thanks.